Okay, AP Physics, page 85, homework, number 18. Sorry about the clip art at the top. My diagram is halfway decent, even though I can't draw motorcycles. You have two motorcycles starting from rest. I'm going to do this problem totally conceptually because it's fairly straightforward without getting all tripped up in all the math. Once again, it's good to think conceptually, well, almost all the time. This one's especially best to think conceptually. If you're accelerating at 5.5 meters per second squared, let's just take one of the two motorcycles at a time. Let's take the one on the left, this guy over here. All right. If you're accelerating at that rate for 2 seconds, that means after 2 seconds, at t equals 2 seconds, you will be traveling, that bike will be traveling at 2 times 5.5, would be 11 meters per second this way. Same thing for the other guy. At t equals 2 seconds, same rate of acceleration, he will be traveling at t equals 2 seconds. He or she will be traveling at 11 meters per second this way. So the question is, at what speed will they be approaching each other? Well, their relative speed to the ground is 11 meters per second, but relative to each other, the answer is 22 meters per second. They see each other coming at each other at 22 meters per second. So hopefully they're not on the same path. Hopefully they can pass each other and not hit each other.